we're going to try a new recipe. Just something I came up with, derived from another recipe that I've seen. I'm going to try doing a little cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger dish. I've got everything going here, got my pan on, and we're going to see what I can do with this. Well, first of all, I'll cut up some bacon. I'm going to put it on there first and fry it up, and then I'm going to add the drain the grease and add some. I'm going to drain the grease and add the hamburger meat and cook it. And I'm going to add. I'll show you in a second. I got my cut up bacon frying. So let me get my hamburger meat out and my goat cheese. So I'm gonna add a little goat cheese to it, and I'm gonna add some regular cheese. Actually, I got this special cheese I may put on it. It's got a little habanero and Carolina peppers, and quite spicy, but it'll add a lot of kick to it. So I may use that. Well, I got that bacon frying pretty well. It won't be long for. I want to get it good and crispy. I like my bacon crispy. It'll take just a minute. You're ready to put the hamburger in. Alright, I just drained as much of the grease as I could. This bacon looks like it's about ready. Now, I've never attempted this dish, so it's new to me. But we're going to try it out, see what it tastes like. Got my hamburger meat ready. I got my goat cheese. I've got some Colby Jack. That's what I'm gonna put on there, and we'll see what it tastes like. All right, I got my hamburger meat in. Sprinkled it with some sea salt, some pepper, some onion powder, and McCormick spicy steak seasoning. Montreal steak seasoning, very, very good. I'm living on steak, so I think I'll put a little, just to spice it up a little bit, and we'll see how it goes. I'm also going to put some of this cheese in there, Carolina Reaper blend, and it's got mozzarella, Monterey Jack, jalapeno, habanero, and Carolina Reaper peppers. So it'll add a little kick to it. Yeah, that sounds good. All right, I just drained the meat, and then I added a little bit of water just to, so it won't get too dry. It's hard, I'm holding the camera and I'm stirring at the same time, so it's ready for the cheese. I've got different kind of cheeses in there, but the secret weapon is I'm going to put a little bit of goat cheese in there and give it a little bit of the flavor with that, and make it just a little more creamy. All right, here's the finished product. It's looking really good, and I taste tested it, and it was very delicious. It's so cheesy and everything. It looks more like a casserole than anything else. I'm getting ready to dig in. I'm gonna enjoy it. I tell you, it's delicious.